Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good. So today you are watching me here. Okay, she is one of my best student. So today I'll talk with her about a burning topic which is migration. So Deepika, do you know what is migration?
Yes, migration means palayan.
Okay,
So,
so can you briefly explain about the migration? What is migration?
yes, so as you all know that migration means palayan. You might have heard about this word migration. So nowadays the people are going outside for their kids' education, and I get tensed when I listen about the people. They are going outside, they are going Pithoragarh, Haldwani, and many more other places for their kids' education. And nowadays in the village areas, there are few people are there in village. So like most of the old person, because bahu beta and all are settled in city areas. Look at
Okay. So I'm sorry to interrupt you, Deepika. Okay, just you said that Bahu Beta they have like they have settled outside. So what do you think in future if they have gone there, but all the old people are staying in village like our dada dadis, grandparents are they are staying, they are living in the village right now. Only they are, but some of them are not able to cook food. They are not able to work. So what do you think about this?
So I think that their bahu beta and they all settled in uh,
Other
city area.
cities, places, yeah.
And I think their bahu beta, they think that we should not live with these
They
old
they
person.
should
And
not, leave them alone at home. Huh?
yes,
So either they should take with them because this is
no,
also their responsibility.
yes, that's their responsibility. They
Mm,
should take care of them also.
yes.
But this generation is, I think, too much bad for every people. Means their bahu beta, they are living alone to their mother father, so that's very bad.
Okay, so one thing tell me, last question that, can we stop this migration?
Sir, we should not stop the migration 100%, but we should try. We can try 50%. We can stop that. Nowadays, you look that the all people, all person, or all people are going outside for their kids' education. So that's it's good for.
Will you blame to government for that? Why they are going outside? So what kind of facilities we don't have in the village area that they are migrating towards cities?
Yes, sir. If there will good facilities in our village, in any village also, the so migration will stop some,
Like
means 10-20%.
what kind of facilities you are talking?
Like if there will good school, like nowadays the people they go outside for teaching to their children.
Yes.
So if there will good school in our village, so that's they can stop, the migration can stop from that.
Okay. So first thing you said about education. What about other things that how we can stop migration?
Other things like there is not a good hospital, or like there is not in village area, there is not job, we can go for job in another city, we can go for job. But if there is good facility in our village, so it's not important for going outside.
Yeah, so my dear friend, just you heard the Deepika that she told about the migration, like about the education system that we are lacking in the village area for the jobs they are going outside, and for not the good hospitals, because if you are getting ill in any serious condition, we have to go outside. So for that also, if person they are government, they are in government job and they have money, so they are settling outside, which is it's okay, not bad, but also government should think about it. So thank you very much for watching us. We'll see you next video. Thank you, Deepika.
Thank you.